with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving your favorite dishes. Anyway, today we're gonna make you a nice, lovely drink, which is healthy nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Anyway, today we're gonna make you a nice, lovely, smooth drink, which you can also do this for Mother's Day drink. First of all, we're gonna have 1 finger of ripe banana. Mother's Day drink. Straight inside of it like this. That's 1 finger of smooth ripe banana. Second thing, we're gonna use some nutriment inside of it. Roughly 1/4 of nutriment. Nutriment is like vanilla flavor, or they call it suppressant in Jamaica. Alright. Next thing, I got some ice cream, because this Sunday we have to treat our mom on a different level. Alright. So get ready, guys. So you got the banana, you got the nutriment, ice cream. Nice and lovely. That's the ice cream. Second thing, I got some yogurt. This is some yogurt, and we got some ice. We're gonna put a few pieces of ice inside of it, just like that. And this is the yogurt, guys. Let's scrape 1 yogurt down inside of it. Happy Mother's Day for every mama. We always love you. Alright, that's the yogurt. I have another one, which also gonna put inside of it. We love you. Every mom, we love them. And we wanna say Happy Mother's Day this Sunday coming. I'm gonna scrape this one also. That's 2 yogurt. Mama, we always love you. Wow, that song is a nice song. Then second thing, honey. That's a pinch of honey inside of it. Yeah, you can see exactly what's going on. Next thing, cover it. I'm gonna make a nice, lovely drink for mama. Alright. So guys, you can do this at home. And now we're gonna blend this around for about 3 to 4 seconds. Nice and lovely. I just finished blending it, so let's remove it. Give it a shake. Have about 10 different stuff in it. Ah, man, smell that, man. That's beautiful. Just take your time, pour it out in like this. That's mama drink for this Sunday. After you do that, now, guys, basically what you're gonna do, get some chocolate powder and simply sprinkle it on top of it like this. Alright. That's Mother's Day drink. It's a special treat with banana, nutriment, and also ice cream, yogurt, and some nice honey inside of it. So mom, that's for you for this Sunday. We love every mother. I have to give them a treat. Some mother don't like alcohol. You can put a little bit of alcohol inside of it. A lot of people like different stuff. So this is a nice, lovely smoothie treat for Mother's Day. Enjoy the recipe. See you next time. Bye bye.